Which banned apps most used in China? I mainly use three apps: YouTube, Reddit, and Google Search. As you know, these apps mostly banned in mainland China, but I use them for some simple get more information. Let me give you an example. In China, the only major search engine is Baidu, but to be honest, I cannot get any useful information from Baidu. When I search something from Baidu, all it give me is advertisement and garbage content, low quality. That's why I spend my most of the time on Google and Reddit or YouTube or another channels. I believe if Google were allowed to enter China, Baidu will go bankrupt overnight. That's fact.